without context. We'll look at things as a part of one environment, not understanding the connection to what we're changing as part of the other environment, which is part of the other environment. We look at what affects us. The skewed part, the disconnect, the human frailty, is looking at the human from a want, egocentric perspective, from looking at the human from a shoot from the hip, like, well, don't we want life to be easier? Well, instead of understanding where challenge is in the spectrum of life itself. Do we want life to be easier? Well, not really. The best we can do is efficiency. We don't want to make it unnecessarily difficult, but we don't want to straighten learning curves per se either. They're there for a reason.